Study to Hanay, but I'm staying with my boyfriend.
Beggar.
kita patah tuh lubangnya capek.